It's ego sub.
No. That is not correct.
You have taken the leave at 11 o'clock. How
It
can
is
it
there.
be?
It is
Well,
here.
he had taken the leave at 11 o'clock.
No.
Leave was
Granted by the honorable. No.
No, Honorable Chief Justice have granted them leave to move the vacation bench today. I have been told.
Yes.
All right, let them move. I will make my submissions. But kindly consider that we are not appropriate.
Today it has been served.
This is not done. When it has been served, not everything.
Correct. I mean,
you are only correct. Not correct. You are only correct.
Okay, Mr.
What is
I am in
this?
charge of the
Sir,
office.
I am making the
I'm
submission.
led by
You
Mr.
are not
Bandyopadhyay
correct.
in this matter.
Are
I'm in
you-
charge of the
are
office.
you coming for
Today,
the
my lord,
heaven?
after coming to the court, I came to learn that this matter has been moved today and leave has been taken from your lordship. My lord, I don't.
No. Leave has been
No,
taken
that's
by
right. I've heard. But so far as
from the Honorable the Chief Justice. Honorable the Chief Justice, it has been mentioned in the year that leave
Morning,
has.
that's all right. My lordship, can you proceed with the matter? I will make my submission.
Mr. Banerjee is saying, asking the court
Proceed.
to.
We will make the submission, but by my lord,
led
all
by
the
Mr.
case laws are
Bandyopadhyay,
not with me.
whatever
I
you
will tell.
Okay, what's the matter?
Yeah, please, my lord.
Acha, what's the problem?
My lord,
Why you are so
allegedly, on 7th of May,
Yes.
as a student, when the Operation Sindoor started between India and Pakistan, there was on social media a war of words, allegedly by various people, my lords, across the border. In one of the rants, it is alleged that while replying that we are delusional, there is no proof why we are fighting Pakistan, why we are blaming Pakistan. So this girl allegedly had a post in reply to that, where it is alleged that she has said something beyond replying that we are not children of Mahatma and all. She said, she is alleged to have said that you must be delusional. Your Nabi must be delusional when you are talking. Delusional. My lord, there is nothing otherwise alleged. Please see the FIR, and we'll start by the, my lords, how they go about it, my lords. Please see the FIR, and that FIR is on page, my lords, 18. Does it disclose an offense? That is the issue, my lords. My lord, the complaint is on page 19, and I'll read it. Two officers in charge, Garden Reach Police Station. Subject, demand to register FIR against one resident of Kolkata named Sharmishta Panoli under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by insulting Holy Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. Respected sir, this letter is to draw your attention that one lady named Sharmishta Panoli, resident of Kolkata, likely from Urbana NRI Complex, Kolkata, and pursuing law from Symbiosis School of Law, Pune, has made blasphemous comment on the Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. This kind of act brings disharmony, unjust, unrest in the society, and as a resident of Kolkata city, we will not tolerate such kind of blasphemy against our Prophet in our city. We demand to register FIR, action against her under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by publishing blasphemous content against the Prophet of Islam on X, formerly Twitter, and on Instagram, which is being viral on social media around 4 p.m., 14/5/2025. We are attaching the link for the video in which one lady, Sharmishta Panoli, has blasphemically commented on Prophet of Islam with a dirty mouth in which she abuses the Holy Prophet and try to bring disharmony, unrest, and communal dispute around the country. Thus, we demand strict action against such hate monger as soon as possible from Kolkata police to maintain peace and harmony in our city, around the country. Such kind of blasphemy are completely intolerable by Muslims, and we will not rest until strict action is being taken against such hate monger. Hope Kolkata police will do their best to bring justice and maintain peace. My lord, I ask a question to myself. Where is that content which says, they are saying, I made blasphemous comments? What is that? Today, as we read this, it does not disclose a cognizable offense which they have registered. Now, please see, this is registered on 15/5, and that is important. 15th of May, this FIR has been registered. On 17th of May, they take warrants of arrest against me, my lords. Warrants of arrest has been taken, my lords, saying that I am not available in my house, and because this is punishable with 3 years at best. So they say they can't arrest. They have to give notice
35B.
under 35B, erstwhile 41A. But instead of that, they say we went there and they were not there. They're absconding, their phones are switched off, and therefore obtains a warrant of arrest. Now, my lord, there are two things. Parallelly, on 15th, I am before the police station with my complaint saying that I am under acute threat. I am also seeking an apology for whatever was sent. That post was taken off on the 8th May itself, after making it on 7th night. The question today is, my lords, twofold. The law gives me protection, and that protection is, first, you have to register a case only if it, my lords, the contents of the complaint, my lords, show commission of a cognizable offense. This FIR does not have any content. So now I am left with something called a video, a link. My lord, that is why a provision of inquiry is there. First of all, you have to see the link as it is. If it provides that there is, then you will, my lord, ask whether it is. Two questions will be asked. Is it tempered? Is it original? And how it is? Nothing has been done. And warrant of arrest has been obtained. On 15th, 16th, 17th, there is a crowd in front of my house. There is a threat, and I've attached, my lords, right from sexually explicit, my lords, photographs of my daughter, of this girl. Also, my lords, the threat of beheading her, the threats of rape, all they were there. My house was found to be, my lords, attached with those things, that I live here. I study in such and such place. This is my father. My father's photograph is also there. So, my lords, we go to the police station on 15th, 16th, 17th, all 3 days. We are asking for protection and security. And, my lords, when it is not given till 19th, we are every day going to the police station. My father is going to the police station every day. And on 19th, when there was a crowd in front of my house at 10 o'clock in the night, my lords, that is the time, my lords, the family decides that now a crowd is assembling, the threat perception is increasing now because it has reached the doorstep. My lords, my father takes the family to Delhi, my lords, Gurugram, the Gurgaon, my lords, earlier. And they are there for some time till the time the threat perception is answered. My lord, because threat perception is continuing. So the phones were switched off because dirty messages, threats are time and again coming. There was a scare. So the question is, my lords, please see what needs to be done at that time. They have to show to the court while taking arrest why I was not there. My phones were available on 17th. It could be ascertained. I am there in my house. It can be ascertained. I left this place on 20th. The warrant of arrest was obtained on this. So, my lord, we'll have to see two things. Whether the registration of the case was proper, number one. Whether my warrant of arrest was taken as per law, disclosing, my lord's, facts, otherwise which are right. What is the offense against me? Am I a terrorist? Why are they witch hunting They go all over the country, my lord. They raid everywhere. I do not know. Now I'm coming to know that they have been raiding after this. Whereas I'm here till 20th. So they go, my lord, they arrest me by using that technical surveillance. They can do that everywhere. But not one action has been taken on my complaints, on security, on my threat perception, on those, my lord, grave threats which are offense beyond 7 years. Then, my lord, the complainant, I will show that, my lord. I'm giving a summary. On
We are in a hearing stage or motion stage in some other cases. I don't understand.
Now, what do you want
I want,
from
my
this
lord,
court?
on my three things, my lord. One,
Yes.
they should be honest, this should be quashed. My arrest should be declared in a writ petition as illegal, and I should be granted bail forthwith without any conditions, my lords. That is what the
You are
Supreme-
in custody for 2 days.
My lords,
only.
I'm in custody. Even if I'm custody for 1 hour, the custody itself is illegal, and my lords will have to protect me. And that is
They
what
have arrested in connection with a case.
my lord. But then case is about 3
They are
years.
arrested in connection with a case. Yes, arrest without in connection with a case is illegal.
Very well. And the
Ah,
registration
You
is
at best can say that they have not issued any notice under 35(3)
Yes,
now.
B.
35B. 35B earlier 41A.
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued any notice.
I have not received, my lords. What they do is, my lords, my lord, they obtain a warrant of arrest saying we served these notices, and it is only during the arguments we come to know.
Yeah, Mr. Banerjee, we will be able to produce the CD or anything.
I'm led by Mr. Bandyopadhyay in this matter, Lord.
Mr.
He's on not
Banerjee,
on-
Lord, CD is not available. Possibly, just let me tell me your lord's the case is this. Lord, this is a case
If I can complete, or I can
under
complete
section
it, my lord.
196. No. This continuing is not. It's not a hearing. This is not a case
My lord,
under
I am
section
seeking my
196.
lord's permission.
My
I'm not
lord,
seeking my
yes,
friend.
my lord has asked me to.
Either I have to
My
finish-
lord has asked me. What
Very
is
well.
this? My lord has asked me. Don't show
No,
this
no.
posture.
No,
Mr.
why I
Counsel,
saying
don't show this
that
posture.
court is to look into the materials
lord may
which
grant
have been
me-
collected
So
by
I-
the investigating authorities so far,
So as it
and
is,
on the basis of such,
my lord, as
but the state is not in a position to produce the same.
so my lord, I am seeking exactly that, and that is I am before my lord. My lord is to grant me protection. The Supreme Court in a number of cases, and I have brought the compilation. In all these similar circumstances, they say on the first date, even if state is not there, they say grant ad interim bail, and then we can continue. I'm only seeking an interim bail. I can't be put into custody as a student, my lords. A girl student with all those, my lords, in that kind of circumstances, she is my lord, she has a ADHD problem,
As here,
attention deficit, my lord. She gets impulsive. She gets, my lords. There's a problem. And staying in jail is creating a problem, my lords, for her. She has a kidney, my lord, disease she's carrying. All I'm trying to say is,
yes, Mr.
I'm only seeking.
Madam, can I submit?
Yes.
I'm not running away.
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
submit?
Mr.
my lord?
Bandyopadhyay.
My lord, kindly see, a case was initiated under section 196, subsection 1A,
Yes,
then 299,
yes,
352,
yes,
353, 1C,
yes.
because of her ex-handle posting with a video. My lord, hurting the religious faith. Then, when this complaint has been lodged, my lord, it discloses a cognizable offense. FIR discloses itself is a cognizable offense. When this offense, my lord, it was done, notice was not to be served under section 353 BNSS 2023 and 94 BNSS was notice served. Then section 94, she was called upon the steps were made for service. Then, my lord, with the assistance of the Anandapur police station case, and on both the 2 days, including 21st May 2025, however, the accused person or any of her family members could not be found there. And the flat was under lock and key, so the notice could not be served. There were attempts were made. Then the, my lord, warrant was issued by the appropriate magistrate. My lord, they whole family, the lady fled away. She was arrested from the Gurugram. She was produced before the appropriate magistrate. Transit remand was given for 3 days. Then, my lord, she was produced before the magistrate. Bail petition was moved and was rejected
By the magistrate.
by the magistrate. Now, my lord, if they only ask for FIR, setting aside, etc., my lord, that is a subject to hearing. We have to file affidavit. We have to tell this is
Now,
what this.
whether there is no requirement, any requirement to keep this student in custody any further.
Yes, my lord, this has been who will decide it? When once a matter is set in motion in the criminal court, how they can come into the writ court? They could have filed an application, bail application. How they can come into the writ court?
And how many cases has been registered against him? You are saying
I don't
Anandapur
know
case.
exactly. We
I
have
am
to take.
saying Garden Ditch case.
And this is it.
Huh?
This is in connection with the garden thing.
He was arrested first case. Which was the first case?
Garden reach, my lord.
Garden Ditch.
Garden Ditch was first case.
Yes, ma'am.
But
And
all the
how
cases
many
can be.
cases has been registered.
Line by line, same, my lords. Word by word, same.
Madam, kindly hear. Kindly hear.
My lord is
Yes,
asking
yes.
the state. My learned senior will give answer. But if interruption is in such a way, then it is very impossible to.
Okay, do one thing. It is vacation bench.
Yes.
You produce the CD and Sajansa before the on 5th, before the next vacation bench, because of the fact material collected by the
My lord.
investigating
Yeah, at this
authority
initial
is to be-
stage.
is to be-
I am only on
today
the.
just. So I am just passing an order
My lords, please.
that this Garden Ditch case, PS case, shall be treated as a principal case,
My lord.
and the other case will
My lord,
not
that-
investigate.
I
Exactly.
want to show something, my lords. My lords
Just
cannot
kindly hear me,
continue
my lord. Kindly
in this
hear
tension
me.
even for a day, and I will
My
show
lord,
that.
kindly hear me, my lord.
Not
Kindly
even
just
for a
hear me.
day.
My lord, kindly.
That is
Will
the
your
whole
lordship,
essence of laws.
will your lordships kindly
Cannot-
hear me, my lord.
Even for a day.
My learned senior,
Let me
Well,
show
I
you.
want
learned
to-
Why are
senior
you
is.
afraid?
Okay.
But if he's.
My lord, kindly hear me.
Mr. Banerjee, both Mr. Banerjee.
My lord,
Kindly
Why
just
arrest
hearing.
is illegal? Here, learned counsel, why arrest is illegal?
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued notice under section 35B.
My lords, please see.
But Mr. Banerjee has stated that yes,
Now, whatever inquiry will be done. Three things are there, and that is undeniable. Today, the effort is that we will show only to delay something that is so sacrosanct to me, and that is liberty. It is only to delay my liberty. They are saying we will do this.
day after tomorrow,
My
heaven
lord,
will not fall.
why even-
Only 2
My lord,
days.
this girl has suffered in these 2 days so badly. Please understand what she is going through. And I'm showing something, my lord. Please see.
She should have remembered when the external post was made.
Arrest me more.
lower court order ta
He
করলাম
should
না
have.
Is it in conformity?
lower
with
court
the law?
order ta দেবো করলাম না
Yes.
Huh?
Give the
Not
give the
after
give the,
this, not
give
even
the
a-
magistrate's order. Please give the magistrate order. Swapon, তুইও
Magistrate order
চেঁচা না, ও একা
That's not
চেঁচাবে।
matter, my lords. Like a
It is
magistrate,
warrant.
Swapon,
I am before my lords, and my
Swapon,
lords,
তুইও চেঁচা, ওকে একা
my lords
চেঁচাবে
will not be
নাকি?
guided by a magistrate.
হ্যাঁ,
my learned senior friend but forget not the judicial discipline
judicial discipline.
and they are not the judge.
I understand.
My lord is
Yes.
judge.
My friends don't understand
Yes. We have understand. And you
judicial
want to,
conscience
you
itself.
want to
You are
give
coming from the
by-
moon. That
by
is the
jumping
reason
and
why-
humping.
You are coming from the moon. That is the reason you understand more than anyone.
What is your good name, please?
I'm DP Singh, my lords.
So it would be better.
So, my lord.
I am asking. You will not. You will go.
No, my lord.
You have come before the vacation wait. Okay, we know. I am asking them to treat this a Garden Ditch such and such PS case such and such would be treated as a
case.
principal case,
I
and no other case they will shall proceed, and state will ensure.
am so obliged. my lord.
State will ensure so that no further FIR is registered on the same set of allegation.
My lord,
Okay,
Madam,
state
I am not on
Madam,
that.
may I
Okay.
suggest?
and Mr.
Excuse me,
Sen,
sir.
court is want to see the CD
So, my lord,
or the material collected by the state is in investigating
So,
ends of
But
the
my
state,
learned senior
and
friend,
then to
My lord,
learned
can I submit?
but
Can
my
I
learned
submit?
senior lord
My
wants to
lord,
say
can I
something.
submit?
okay.
allow me to say
My lord,
something.
your lordship is not hearing me.
Yes.
No, no. Since I am in a virtually, your lordship is not
Yeah.
hearing me, my lord.
Yes,
My unfortunate,
yes, yes.
I am not in a position
I
to
could
shout
have
like
got the occasion to see you.
Madam,
You
can you
have
see?
not, you have not chosen. You have chosen not to come.
No, no, you have not given the.
For me. Yes.
I am not the privilege. I don't have the privilege to appear before your
Yes,
lordship.
yes.
Now, madam, kindly see what I am suggesting. Garden Reach police station case would be lead case, and all the FIRs will be tagged in this case.
No, that would be considered at the time of final hearing. Now all the investigation or further proceedings of all case will be stayed,
Excepting Garden Reach.
excepting Garden Reach. Okay, that would be the principal case. All the other case will be stayed, and state will ensure so that no further FIR is registered on the same set of action. And Mr. Same, let them come with the CD. Let them come. You move
my lord,
it.
no problem. Only one
Or
thing.
move it in
Only one thing, my lords. I'm for it.
If they
I'm
don't
sorry.
issue any notice
have-
under 35B
My lord,
and yet arrest you in connection with Garden Reach, the appropriate order shall be passed.
On the next day.
my lords, it will take less time if my lords will give me 2-3 minutes.
Yes.
Now, my lords and my friends will bear with me.
Yes.
One thing
I'm always behind.
I'm saying, I'm asking, my prayer today is, in view of whatever the law has been laid down by Supreme Court of India, not by us, my lords, and we are bound by it, is ad interim bail can be given even if they are not there. Only if I would have come, my lords, and this view, that is the first instance. They are here only if my lords feel they have been called, because today I'm the petitioner before this court, and it is if I can make out a case without any indulgence from the other side, without any clarification from the other side, then my lords can pass any interim order that feels or that is justified in law.
Vehemently opposing this.
My lord, can they, my lords?
Okay. Okay.
Can
the
I
order,
allow-
if situation so demands, even order shall be passed, but let the state come with the material.
What is seeking from the
Only
material,
your
not
petition.
because-
Except your petition, nothing is
Yes.
before the court.
As I'm showing, my lords.
Even what statement has been made, it is not also before the
My
court.
lords, I'm showing something. I can show 3 things, my lords. I can show 3 things.
In a vacation, my lord, not in a regular court.
My lord, I can show 3 things
We are in a vacation bench.
Sufficient.
But then I can show
Oh, my
100
lord.
cases.
to exercise this discretion of granting me ad interim bail forthwith. That is number 1.
Yes.
That is number 1. My lords, please see the FIR of 15th. I have said, and my lord may read it, it does not disclose any offense whatsoever, my lord. It does not say what are the contents. It only says blasphemous. Will it, my lords, make it a cognizable offense? It does not, my lord, with due respect, my lords. 2, they obtain, on the 3rd day itself, 15th it is registered, 17th they take a warrant of arrest, saying that I'm not there. They served the 35B, but I was not there. So, my lords, issue the warrant of arrest. 2 questions which will arise without any notice from anybody. 1, what did you do in that one day to arrive at such that they can't go back? And within one day, the court will grant, my lords, a warrant of arrest. 2, I am, and I'm showing it, they are part of the case. Diary, please see. I am before the police in this area. I would not know, my lords, which FIR, which police station in West Bengal have registered a case. I will go for my security to my lord, police station. I went to cyber police station. I went to my police station where my jurisdiction is.
Father of the girl.
Yes, my lords. Girl also goes. Girl and the father both go.
Page 36.
Both going to the police station.
My lord. She
Page
signs.
36. Kindly see that.
Page 36.
Yes.
36.
33.
36.
See, my lords, if my lords will see the pages on 37 and 38, this was I was confronted with. Please see 37 and 38.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee, they are seeking interim bail. They are
No,
saying
I am opposing.
that they will cooperate with
No,
investigation.
I am opposing. No, I am opposing, my lord.
Day before yes.
Would your lordship then hear me, or this types of dramatic argument will be done.
Hmm.
You can hear me?
Okay,
No,
move it.
sorry. So please
We
let's
have
see
that
what
tomorrow.
Supreme Court says.
We have that tomorrow.
Dramatic
Let's
argument.
see what Supreme Court says. My lord, let's
These
see
are all
what Supreme Court
dramatic
says.
argument.
The laws, a
Please, let's see
student
what
of
Supreme-
law of
My lord,
yeah.
whatever the video is, I don't know whether it is a made up
You
video.
Your
don't
video
know,
is there.
but your client
Would you like
This
to study
judgment I
them?
am to, what is the proposition?
having the
You
knowledge.
I'll
You don't
just
know.
read 2-3 paragraphs only, my lords. I don't
what
read
is the proposition?
My lord, all I'm saying is all these writ petitions, when were brought before the court,
আমাদের গুলো দিয়ে দাও।
my lord, they gave notice to the state on the first date itself, where state was there, they heard. In every case, in a writ petition, they said we will hear the petition, but granted ad interim bail. Supreme Court, my lord, they
Where
say.
is that law?
Then, my lord,
Depends upon the Miller,
Then-
the facts of each fact of
why
the
are
case.
they interrupting?
Yes, not interrupting. You
You
are
are doing drama.
my lord, I'm
What's
sorry,
going on
please.
here?
I am coming here and I'm trying to address, and I am facing hostility
Respect to you.
outside. I'm facing hostility here as a lawyer. Imagine what the girl must be having,
Oh
what she's
God,
facing.
don't do drama.
Hostility. Otherwise,
Can I
for
make my
offense of
submission?
3 years, is this the way it is
Okay,
supposed?
okay. Yeah, kindly, Mr. Sen, consider a group of people of our country got hurt following the such and such made comment in social media or where you have made this comment, I don't know, got hurt. And this case and and this incident had given rise to 3 or 4 cases.
So will it change?
So admittedly, a section of the people of our country, their sentiment, you have hurt their sentiment.
My lords, just a minute, my lords.
They have
Look,
tomorrow kindly.
No, no.
We have
I'll answer
we have freedom of speech and expression.
Can I?
That does not mean that you will go on to hurt the
Can I
sentiments
answer
of
this?
others.
Can I answer this, my lords?
Our country is a full of diversity. There are many person of many language, caste, community all are coexist.
My lord, can
So while making such submission, we have to be cautious.
Can I now respond? Can I respond?
So
Can
day
I
after tomorrow, heaven will
Can I
not fall.
respond, my lords? Can I respond?
Yes, yes.
2 things, my lords. Number
Yes.
1,
Now you are saying, so far I have understand, you are saying they have not complied with the provisions of 1A.
there's no
Now,
ground of arrest given.
now 35(1). Certain conditions have been enumerated there. Okay, and they have not issued any notice. However, it has been submitted on the behalf of the state that notice was issued.
That is
They found that your house is under lock and key, and they took records of this.
My lord,
And that has to be considered by the court
I am
on the
not on
material.
that, my lords. I kindly, that was submission made to give the conspectors. I am not on that. I am on 2 grounds, my lords.
Now you are insisting the court
Right,
to
that is
grant interim bail.
So yes, my lords.
To grant interim bail only on reading the writ petition.
No, my lords. 2 things. 2 things.
Even it is not what actually uttered by the
My lord, that is-
student or lady. What actually uttered.
So I am saying, grant me 2-3 minutes uninterrupted, so that at least I can say what I am saying. In between, something is answered. I am unable to give even present my case, my lords.
Yes.
I want to present the case
Yes.
as, my lords,
Yes.
in law, not on facts. My lord, what will happen is, it will take an inquiry to go into whether they were there or not. I'm showing on the face of it that I'm there. So that is not the issue. What will they show tomorrow? Day after, what they can show? 3 things. They will try to show that these are the document police went there. Now, whether court can go into that inquiry or court cannot go into the inquiry is based on, again, those facts. 2, my lords, was I under grave threat and I was before the court is there. Please see, if I understand, my lords, there are sentiments, but all these cases are about these sentiments only, where the court granted bail right away. All these cases which I am showing are all about sentiments of one section or the other.
This pair, your pair, a court is not refusing your pair. That pair will be considered on fifth.
So
On fifth, let them come with the CD.
No, that is
What
why-
material court want to show,
Not-
what want to show.
My lord-
And today you take that order that the garden ditch
Can
case
I
will
say
be-
something, my lords? If my lords don't want to